Today's encounter back-to-back, just city of Hyderabad, full of culture, colour, on their opening performance against the Netherlands. Sri Lanka won the toss and chose to bat.
And Sri Lanka, Russell.
I like it. It's missing by a long way. Just put your arms down. Sit. Fine. Very fine for picture, I've got to say. Hassan Ali.
To him. A little bit wide.
Oh, a little edge this time, and Hassan Ali has struck it. Swung away leg side. Has he got enough of it to go all? Free hit. And makes the most of it. Timing. And a pull shot now. Just dragged down a little. It's flown away down towards third and over the head. Over the top, just. Mid off, the skipper up inside.
And dropped. Imamul Haq is not having a great time as a catcher. Up in the air, and that's gone.
Balance. Nipped around the corner. It's a fast outfield here. And it's a boundary.
There's a cut shot. Partly stopped at point. Throws at the non-striker's end. It's the runner. Short and wide and gone for. Gets it past the man at point. Power play. Edge and gets it past the infield for four. That's the slash for six. Now how about that? How about that? Smash down the ground. That's hit into the gap and four. Hit into a half tracker in.
Oh, brilliant. That was entirely good. Mendes and Nisanka. It runs. Oh, this is tight. Gets the dive out. Oh, yes.
Huge gap between long on and deep square. And his sweet spot. Oh no! For Pakistan.
Just ends up slicing it. Now he's controlled that beautifully. There was width on offer on this. And hence not a lot of option. He goes leg side.
There's the pull shot. That's gone a mile up in the air. There's the pull shot. It's another six. Tries a Yorker and plays it very nicely with a straight back. Gets it past. A great Yorker. Width and gone. Point. He's played that shot so well once again, using the crease, going back and hitting it over the infield. Mid-wicket. Strong appeal from the cut shot attempted, finds the gap. This is all too easy. That's gone past the man at point very, very quickly. A half tracker attempted, a nothing ball. Another cut shot attempted. Dive, full length dive, trying to catch the ball on the full. Cut shot. Wow, blistering stuff. This is top quality. Shine Shafridi.
Sal Mendes is 94. He has clipped that one away. And it's gone all the... Oh yeah, it sounded so good. It really did. He's on one now. And another. That is better. Over extra cover this time. Oh, please! Gone really high and he's taken it on the boundary. That is... It's gone in the gap and away to the boundary for four more.
In that situation.
Come on again! And fine, and it might race away for another one. It does. Nedge and gone, back to back. Hassan Ali goes. This is better from him, and it'll just give. Edge this time, it's gone very fine. Little misfield underneath the hands, or the left.
Found the gap just.
How good is that? How good is that?
That is a beautiful stroke.
With that field set, if you pitch the ball up like that, that's one of those bad deliveries again to end what was looking a pretty...
Yeah, that's a beauty. That's another 4. Things are getting tougher and harder for Pakistan. Oh dear, oh dear. Nothing's going Pakistan's way.
Not hit it, Shah Afridi says mines and takes it. Desperately needed that.
Big shot, great shot, brilliant shot. Wow, that is probably the shot of the day. Pulls the ball, puts it into the gap, raises the hand. He's conquered this Pakistan bowling attack with a fantastic... It should be taken, is it? Yes, a good running catch. Babar Azam does it. Puts it into the gap. Such a good shot. Played the angle, played the lack of pace, and safe. I'm sure. I think he's nicked it. He's walking. Hassan Ali picks up another wicket. That will miss Rizwan. Strong appeal from Shah Afridi. He'll not get... Goes for the big shot, finds the gap, finds the fence. That is such a lovely shot from Velala. Yeah, it's the stumps with a bit of a wink.
आप हैं तो फॉर्म में प्लेयर है यार.
Wow! Very amazing!
ओके करो.
चलो भाई, देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं, हम तो चूतिए हैं, दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे. और क्या बहस और कोई काम है हम पे.
Excellent work.
बड़ा तो है यार।